Now, after a nice breakfast on our porch, boy, we are headed out for a nice day. Just another nice day. Hey! Biz Higgins! Wow! Yeah. Our neighbor's walking a dog. One more cup of coffee and we're ready to go.
Racing, Ross, Acapulco.
Okay, I'll bring you the money next week. I bought the seat.
He used to do a ton of like Ferraris and Maseratis.
That's a badass scooter, though.
Does he have the 5-gallon can with the gas on the scooter?
Yeah, it's underneath the seat. It keeps it under the
You know, when you buy one of these, you get a supply of adult vitamins. You get those Geritol vitamins.
You get a pack of Viagra when you buy one of these.
This is the little thing to keep the Viagra in right there, a little pouch. Now, I remember when Turbo Steve and I went down to the KTM demo, and we both rode the little KTMs, and I got to ride. I rode this one, but I like Ray's Duke better. Ray, you got to come up here. Time for a visit. You need to take another day out on a Duke. Nice 996. Nice.
years.
No, what year is this?
Oh, it's a 71.
71. Wow. You're even older than I am. Yo, your bike is anyway. You're not. Now there's a man's machine, see?
What up?
If you were a real man, you'd be able to ride this. All you BMW guys, you know, if it's done on traction control, you can't ride it. That's a real bike, huh? Wow.
A lot of guys here today.
Yeah, yeah.
Where are you heading today?
I don't know. Wherever the wind blows. That's beautiful.
I didn't like it. It came black.
This is the one that came with one brake disc missing. One brake disc missing. How the hell can you sell a bike with one brake disc missing? Burger King.
And I put the Two Brothers exhaust on.
Yeah, I remember when you did the Two Brothers.
I got the skid plate. It didn't have the skid plate. I painted that.
Yeah.
Those just come black. I painted it the color of the bike. Like I said, the fender in the back, I changed the colors because I didn't like it. I thought it looked better like that. I switched them around. It comes black with those things saying.
It came two colors. It came black and silver, right? When they were new?
And black.
Yeah, it looks nice. Nice and clean.
Yeah.
How many miles you got on it?
62.
Oh, didn't even break it in yet. Ready for an oil? You better adjust the chain now. 6,000 miles. The Navolas arrive.
I've been painting bikes.
have here on Perkins. Wow. Look at this day. Wow.
Actually, I had an accident last May on the America coming up here over by Silver Mine Lake. One saved me. Like I said, I have 2 fake hips. My hard bag saved me from the bike coming down on my leg and crushing me. This is my pace car.
They make motorcycles too. Do you know Pokey is not qualified to ride anything but an SB6?
Look on over here, Pokey. Look over here. We're getting a picture. Holy shit.
Man steals bicycle, goes off cliff. Now let's rephrase that. Very old man with mustache steals bike.
No, I haven't tried.
Goes overboard.
I don't do that anymore.
Takes out 12 squirrels before he hits the
For a
ground.
long time.
Okay, so look, even women are allowed to buy these cars. Look at this, women drivers. What do we got here?
It's an old S.
Wow. How many of these guys you think are drug dealers?
No.
No, they all are. Come on. That guy doesn't have a job. Come on.
Wendy, wouldn't you feel bad?
You don't have a job. What am I talking about?
Wouldn't you feel bad as they were driving by in their expensive cars and they saw us, they would say, how many do you think of these guys don't wash? Wouldn't you feel bad?
All of us.
Yeah. I know.
Oh, Frank, you're so lucky. I'm telling you. You're lucky.
You don't know how lucky you are.
No idea.
And this is nice.
You're lucky Pokey didn't steal his bike before.
I gotta get bags, but
Pokey, this is a nice bike. Hey, Poke, check this out.
I did. I sat on it.
Wow, it's nice. Wow.
You have the rack?
I don't know what they run though. What do these run?
Frank, how much are these bikes?
I don't think it's too big. They're like, that's a 17, but 18s are like 12.
12,000?
Remember when you were a young man, if you gave somebody 12,000, they gave you 4 cylinders.
You bought a house.
Now you only get one.
I didn't pay 12. I paid 11,000 for my first house.
I only paid like 11 for that. But
Very long time.
you know what's nice? You know what's a nice step for this? The new Kawasaki.
This is funny. Frank's giving a kid driving lessons.
Yeah.
Kawasaki just came out with
That'd be like me giving somebody cooking lessons.
You know how to boil water?
No.
Then you can give cooking lessons. You know how to boil.
That's another one?
Yeah, that's a 390. It's not a 690.
Maybe they're giving them away.
The Himalayan's gonna sell.
Is that a slingshot?
Slingshot with an extra wing.
Well,
It's a wing shot.
It's a wing shot.
dry your laundry later.
Frank, is that a wing shot or a ding shot? Uh-oh, we just ran over a squirrel.
Oh, Frank, you do know. I may as well tell you up front, to be honest with you. If I do.
Can we see your passport, sir? Is this bike legal in the United States?
Himalayan
You ever see the road test they do on these?
Motor Guzzi Prevo 11.
The quality assurance test.
Not on trade.
I will not sell this. You have it. You own it. How cool is it? Plus, you can ride anybody in it. Yes.
said she wants to go for a motorcycle ride.
Give her the red one.
Give it a red one. Oh my God, what a day. Look at this day. Wow. What a beautiful day. Wow. A good day to have lunch out on a deck, baby.
It's gonna rain Wednesday.
So I come back from the nice ride and I want to know, what's for lunch?
Cheese and a banana.
Cheese and a banana.
Favorite lunch.
Jeez, I'm on welfare. All right, baby. Let me put the bike away. Bye-bye, nice bike. And you know what's funny? This is funny. The other day, we had a snake in the pond, Snake Zuki. He's somewhere in the garden. Karen's afraid to go in the garden now. Snake Zuki has taken over. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.